Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today we have here, my wife brought this home the other day. She found this in the garbage. Echo HC2000 Hedge Trimmer. Has gas in it already, but it seems like the primer bulb is broken. So, I have an extra. This thing, it looks a little small. You know, when I buy carburetors, like aftermarket Chinese ones, you know, they come with extras, so I save them. So here is your primer bulb, and it's just two Phillips screw heads. Well, you know what? Actually, you could use a flat blade, because that's what I have on me. So we'll do that. Now, I already gave this thing a couple of pulls. I can tell that it has compression. I know one of the teeth is missing, but that's really not my problem. We'll get this running first, and I'm probably just going to sell it as is. Just the two bulbs. We are out. Let's get this primer bulb out. Does this match? No. This is a lot bigger. Alright, let me go check my spares. So I'll go through my spares that I get extra for carburetors. And this looks like this matches up. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Slide that on there. Plate. We'll just put these two screws back in. Say a prayer. Because you know what? Yesterday I kind of screwed myself over. So it happens. I'm not perfect. I'll probably post that video tonight. No, these you gotta make, you know, not Gorilla tight, but you gotta make them tight because this has to seal. Let's see, can we prime it upside down? No, because there's no gas. I mean, there's gas, but there's not enough. Alright, so let's see if this thing primes. Alright, so now there's fuel coming out. Not tight enough. Let me get a Phillips. Alright, so I was tightening it down to number 2 Phillips. Give it a couple primes. Cold start up. I haven't had my hand on the seat. Let's do that. Alright guys, so this is a winner chicken dinner. Now the reason why it's smoky is because either the oil mixture is off, or I'll put a little seafoam in here. Even idle's good. So, why I put seafoam in there is it's kind of like a cheating way to carb clean. Who knows how long this thing has been sitting. So, yeah, I definitely endorse seafoam. I'm not sponsored by it. Probably giving you guys a little lip balm. If I feel like anything's been sitting for a while, especially True Sight, because I hate it, I always throw this in the tank. I'm cleaning all those little tiny jets. It definitely works. Do not let anybody tell you any different. It's not a gimmick. So, yeah, I'm going to let the seafoam burn off. I'm going to sharpen the blades and paint them so they look nicey nice and put this thing up for sale. So, oh, just died. So anyway, easy peasy 1, 2, 3. My favorite, Mr. Easy Money. My favorite flips. 2 in a row. So I guess, good job, wifey. Thank you very much. All we have is a primer bulb into this thing and some seafoam, less than $5 because the primer bulb was free. I forgot how much these are. I try and get these buy one, get one free. But just a quick tip. When I take 2 cycle out of long-term, out of storage, especially my machine, tank of gas, a little bit of seafoam, and so it's not a bitch to start, I throw some starter fluid down the carb. That's just to get the initial start of the season. After that, you're up and going. You're up and going for the rest of the season. Alright? So, yeah, that's it. New primer bulb. That's how you replace it. And I'll see you guys in the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Alright guys, sorry I forgot to include this in the video. Here I am, painting the blades. This is the tooth that's missing. Don't care. It's really simply just 2 bolts, a couple bolts, and the top bar comes out, but that's not my problem. That could be the new owners. Look at that. See this paint from Home Depot? Flat black. The best paint out there, best bang for your buck. I use this thing all the time. Makes stuff look brandy new. It hides a lot of things. And there we go. Alright, put this up for sale for $200 and let's see, remember, $5 for this thing. Thanks, wifey.